Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix CapCut no internet problem in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing no internet problem with your CapCut apps, let's see how can you fix that. So the very first thing is that you have to check that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here. Open your app store and here go for search. You have to search for CapCut and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your CapCut app. If you find any pending updates here, try to update your app. After updating, go back from here, open your settings app, go for general. Very first you have to check that your phone is not connected to any VPN. If you are connected, try to disconnect with that, then again go back and here look for date and time. You have to select the correct time zone based on your location and then enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Then go back from here and go for software updates. You have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. After doing that, you just have to go back from here and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, you have to make a quick restart or a forced restart your iPhone to make a quick refresh with all over your systems. It might be that there will be any glitch or any temporary glitch in your iPhone system. It will be fixed in this step. Not do that, you have to quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here once you find the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to unlock your phone and here you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so open your settings app here, go for general, and here you have to go for reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can just try this. After that, your issue will be fixed if it's just a network issue. Or in any case, if your issue is still not fixed, there's the only way you have to go back here and open your settings app, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for your CapCut app here, and you have to try to offload your app. So just simply tap on this offload app option and your app will be offloaded. After offloading, you have to reinstall the app. So if there will be any bug or any malware into your CapCut app, it will be fixed in this step. And after that, you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.